The purpose of this video is to give you some of my understanding of the basic principles that apply in property settlement, matters or dispute. Hi, my name is Alan Weiss from Aussie Divorce. There are no mathematical formulas for working out what the results will be, and because of this, it is impossible for anyone to predict with absolute accuracy what the outcome will be. When lawyers give advice, what a person's entitlement will be, they're basing their advice on their knowledge of decisions in previous cases and from their own experience in cases in which they have been involved. However, even with such a knowledge, all that can be really given is an estimate, which is a range of possible outcomes. Under the law, courts are required to find just and equitable outcomes when couples enter their end their relationship and their property needs to be divided between them. The term just and equitable is a legal expression for what most people would call fair outcome. So what courts are required to do is to come up with a fair result. So the law tells judges what things they need to consider when they are making or they are trying to work out what is fair. In all property settlements, there is a 4-step process which is followed. So step number 1, it's a summary. The court will ascertain the net asset pool of both parties. The net asset pool is the total value of all assets owned by either or both parties. The net asset pool includes anything acquired before or during the relationship or marriage, as well as after separation. It is essential that you disclose all of your assets and liabilities to ensure that the proceedings are fair. Step number 2, the court will assess the contributions from you and your partner, both financial and non-financial contributions. There are many types of contributions that may have been made by either partner or spouse. The court will consider all of the following: financial contributions, non-financial contributions, such as the homemaker or the primary carer of children, gifts, bonuses, inheritance, and initial contributions attained before the marriage or relationship. Step number 3, the court will assess the future needs of both parties. The court takes into account many factors when deciding on the future needs of both parties, and this includes age, health, capacity to earn a living or money, the property and the assets of each party, the matrimonial family home, investment properties, shares, cars, jewelry, savings, everything that he can, new relationships and new financial circumstances, future parenting responsibilities, care and support. Step 4, just and equitable. The court will consider the practical effect of the proposed property settlement and whether it is just and equitable to both parties. The decision is made taking into account all of these factors. Now, the information provided in this video is a general information only. It's not a legal advice. For legal advice, you must see a family lawyer with experience, and you must have all the facts prior of getting any advice. For more information, see aussiedivorce.com.au.